All right, so look, I went ahead and put that back in there and hooked everything up. The fuel line's here, the fuel grommet right there. Mason goes up in there. Let's just see if it'll crank. Yeah, so I still weren't able to get one of them off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off and see if then I can get it off there. So that's that back piece. Sit next to that piece of brass. Got it out. I ended up taking a screwing the other one out because the red top came off of it, and I was able to just get it. So I just screwed it out, then took my screw and just started wiping up the side right here. So now we're gonna take this other one out. These are your highs and your lows. This is high right here. This carburetor, this chainsaw won't even start. Buddy of mine's. So now, as you can see, I can take that carburetor and break it all the way down and take it out of it like that there. That's indicated by an H right there. Yeah, and there's a definitive difference. Let's see here. Oh no, there's not. They look to be the same thing now. Okay. That's your carburetor. Broken all the way down. I'm gonna get some parts cleaner and I'm gonna soak this in some parts cleaner. I'm gonna have to get a new gasket. Once I get that gasket and clean everything up, and we'll do a truck ride. All right, so look, I went ahead and put that back in there and hooked everything up. The fuel line's here, the fuel grommet right there. Make sure it goes up in there. Let's just see if it'll crank. What up, dog? All right, so it's not running all the way right, so what I need to do is to take and adjust the highs and the lows. But that's basically what I just wanted to show you, that most two-cycle motors are the same way. Y'all, this took me a lot longer than I thought. It took me about 4 days to do this total. Had to go get gaskets, then I dropped the fuel filter in the tank and overthrottled it. Tried to make it a big deal, and all I had to do was take the gas cap off, reach inside with some needle nose pliers and just simply pull it out. I'm gonna adjust the highs and lows. Next time y'all see me, I'll be on our property. We'll be clearing trees and doing everything like that. But like I told you, I just wanted to basically show you any carburetor, most two-cycle engines are the same way. If you're not good with your hands, I wouldn't advise necessarily doing that. The spring, fulcrum, and it's another little part that goes, I can't think of the exact name, the term of it. But if you're not really good with your hands, I would not advise anyone to go into it to do it. But if you take your time, you can do it. Trust me, I promise you can. So make sure to give us a like and a subscribe. And again, thank you so much for rocking with us. Have a good one, all right? All right.